Winter in Finland has its beauty and there are things to enjoy. But the days are short and we do not see sun that much. It can also be quite depressing when everything is wet and grey. So it's no wonder that your mind starts to wander to last summer and to the next one. I had played with this idea during last year, and this time thoughts led to action. As the spring has arrived, so has the new ride. And this is it, the new GS in triple black. The bike is packed with electronics and hopefully all goes well with this one without any big issues. There are video plans to do a detailed video of the bike and go through all the modifications that has been done to it and also my feelings on what it has been like to ride it. So, if you're interested, stay tuned.